Birth control or contraception. The most important step to control population growth is to motivate smaller families by using various contraceptive methods. Prevention of conception or fertilization of ovum during sexual intercourse is called contraception. An ideal contraceptive should be user-friendly. It should be easily available in the market. It should be effective and reversible with no or least side effects and non-interfering with the sexual drive or desire or the sexual act of the user. Now we will study about the different types of contraceptive methods or the birth control methods. The contraceptive methods are usually divided into following category. Number 1 is natural or traditional method. Second is barrier method. Third is intrauterine devices which are known as IUDs. Fourth is oral contraceptives. Fifth is injections and implants. And sixth is the surgical methods. We will study about each and every method in detail. First is the natural method or traditional method. These are the natural methods that work on the principle of avoiding the meeting of ovum and sperm. So first strategy that comes under the natural method is periodic abstinence. It is basically a method in which a couple avoid from having sex from days 10 to 17 of the menstruation cycle. As we have already done, then the 14th day of the menstruation cycle is the day of ovulation in human female. Hence, the 10th to 17th day of the menstrual cycle is avoided when the ovulation is expected to occur. Second is coitus interrupts or withdrawal method. It is the method in which male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina just before the ejaculation of semen so as to avoid the insemination of semen into the vagina. So if the semen will not enter into the vagina, that means the sperm is not entering into the vagina, and thus we can control the birth of a child. Third is lactational amenorrhea. This method is based on the principle that during the period of lactation after parturition, ovulation does not occur. That is the reason breastfeeding is promoted after the delivery in female. Another method of birth control is barrier method. These methods prevent the contact of sperm and ovum with the help of barriers. Such methods are available for both male and female. The first and very common under the barrier method or the physical method is condoms. Condoms are the barrier which are made up of thin rubber or latex sheet which is used to cover the penis in the male or vagina and cervix in female. It prevents the deposition of ejaculated semen into the vagina of female. Another barrier which is used under the barrier methods are diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults. They are the barriers which are made up of rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. They prevent the entry of sperm through cervix. Some sort of spermicide creams and jellies are also used along with these barrier method to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Next is IUDs or intrauterine devices. These devices are inserted by doctor in the uterus through vagina. There are 3 types of IUDs available. One is non-medicated IUDs, Second is copper releasing IUDs, and third is hormone releasing IUDs. Non-medicated IUDs increases the phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus, such as Lips loop. Copper releasing IUDs, along with the phagocytosis of sperm, the copper ion releases and suppresses the motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperm, such as copper T, copper 7 and multiload. Third type is hormone releasing IUDs. These type of IUDs make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile or unfriendly to the sperm. Example, Progestrad and LNG-20. Injections and implants. They are the progesterones or the progesterone-estrogen combination and used by the female as injection or implants under the skin. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills, but their effective period are longer. As they are made up of progesterone or combination of progesterone and estrogen, they are effective within 72 hours of coitus and work as emergency contraceptive to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or unprotected intercourse. Oral contraceptive or emergency contraceptive. This involves uptake of hormonal preparation of either progesterones or progesterone-estrogen combination in the form of pills by female. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperm. Saheli, an oral contraceptive for female containing a non-steroidal preparation, was developed by scientists at CDRI Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. Pills have high contraceptive value and few side effects. A very common contraceptive which the females are using nowadays is I-pill. So here is the diagram showing various types of contraceptive and their effective places in human female reproductive system. Surgical methods or sterilization. These are terminal and permanent methods which block the transport of gamete, thereby preventing conception. In male, a small part of the vasa deferens is removed and tied up through a small incision on the scrotum. This is called vasectomy. In female, a small part of the fallopian tube is removed and tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or vagina region. This is called tubectomy. Here is the diagram showing both the surgical processes in human male reproductive system as well as in human female reproductive system.